Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Generic Wi-Fi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Wi-Fi range extender. Plug it into a wall power socket near your router. This is only for the setup process. Wait until the power LED turns solid, usually green or blue, depending on your device. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Usually, it's at the back or side of the router. It may be labeled as WPS or have a lock with Wi-Fi signal icon. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the router will start blinking. This means it's searching for a device to connect. Within 2 minutes, go to your Wi-Fi extender. Press and hold its WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. Both devices will communicate automatically. Once connected, the WPS light on the extender will turn solid/stable. The Wi-Fi signal LED on the extender will also light up. After successful pairing, unplug the extender from the socket near the router. Move it to a midway point between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it back in. Wait for the lights to stabilize. Now, on your phone, laptop, or smart device, search for Wi-Fi networks. You'll see either the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router, or the router name with _ext/_ added, depending on model. Connect to it, no password required if extender copied from router. Now setup complete. Your Wi-Fi range extender is now boosting your router's signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.